Welcome back to AI with Lilly, where I help you use AI to save time, work smarter, and build a business that runs with less stress. Today, we are talking about 3 AI tools that can replace a virtual assistant for email, scheduling, and automation. Before we start, human assistants are still valuable. A great assistant can think strategically and handle sensitive situations with judgment. But if you are a creator, founder, freelancer, or busy professional, you may not need a full-time assistant yet. You may need systems that organize your inbox, remind you that matter, schedule your day, and automate repetitive tasks. What is where these tools come in? Tool number 1 is ChatGPT Tasks. ChatGPT Tasks is perfect for reminders, follow-ups, research prompts, and personal operating systems. Instead of asking ChatGPT once, you can ask it to something later or on a schedule. For example, you can say, remind me every Monday to review Yuna's worried client emails, or send me a daily summary of the 3 most important things I need to focus on. For email, ChatGPT Tasks helps with follow-ups. You can create a task that reminds you to check proposals, respond to alerts, or review your inbox at a specific time. It is not the same as a full inbox manager, but it is amazing for keeping your proactive instead of reactive. For scheduling, it works as planning partners. Ask it to create a weekly checklist, remind you before meetings, or prompt you to prepare agendas. The best use case is simple. Use ChatGPT Tasks or your personal accountability assistant. It keeps your routine alive, so your brain does not have to remember everything. Tool number 2 is Lindy. Lindy is closer to a true AI virtual assistant because it connects with tools like your email and calendar. It can help manage your inbox, draft replies, schedule meetings, create follow-ups, and automate workflow across apps. Lindy is powerful because it is action-focused. Instead of only giving advice, it can help execute repeatable business tasks. Imagine someone emails asking to book a call. Lindy can help interpret the message, find a calendar slot, respond professionally, and keep the conversation moving. For email, Lindy can help with triage. That means it can identify what is urgent, what needs a reply, what can be achieved, and what should become a task. If your inbox is where opportunities go to die, this is a huge upgrade. For scheduling, Lindy can reduce the back and forth. Instead of writing 5 emails to find a time, you can use Assistant workflow to coordinate availability and confirm the meeting. For automation, Lindy is useful because you can build workflows. Think, when a lead fills out a form, send a reply, create a calendar option, update a spreadsheet, and notify you. That is work a virtual assistant usually handles manually. Tool number 3 is Motion AI. Motion AI is best for scheduling your day, prioritizing tasks, and protecting focus time. If your problem is not just having too much email, but having no idea when to actually do the work, Motion is a tool to look at. Motion takes your tasks, deadlines, meetings, and priorities, then build a schedule around them. This is different from a normal calendar because a normal calendar only shows that you already planned. Motion helps decide where your work should go. For scheduling, this is huge. Say you have client calls, content creation, admin work, and project deadlines. Motion can time block your day and adjust when things change. If a meeting just added, it can move text blocks around instead of making your rebuild the schedule manually. For email, Motion is not mainly an inbox tool, but it helps with the next step after email. When an email creates work, you can turn that work into a task with a deadline and let Motion schedule it. For automation, Motion shines in task management. It helps you avoid the classic problem of having a long to-do list with no realistic plan. So, which tool should you choose? Choose ChatGPT tasks if you want reminders, recurring check-ins, and lightweight automation. Choose Lindy if you want something closer to a real AI assistant that can manage email, scheduling, and workflows. Choose Motion AI if your biggest challenge is planning your day and making sure important work actually gets done. My recommendation is to use them together. ChatGPT tasks can remind you, help you think. Lindy can handle inbox and workflow action. Motion can organize the execution of your day. AI is not just about writing faster or generating content. The real power is build systems that save you attention. Email scheduling and repetitive admin work can quickly steal hours every week. These three tools help you take that time back. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AI with Lilly for more AI tools, workflows, and business automation tips. Comment below which tool you want me to test next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!